Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. One of the first things every driver should do is check tire pressure regularly. Tire pressure changes naturally as temperatures rise and fall, making monthly inspections very important throughout the year. Driving with underinflated tires causes the rubber to flex more than it should, creating excessive heat that can shorten tire life and increase the chance of tire failure. On the other hand, overinflated tires reduce the amount of rubber touching the road, leading to reduced traction in a rougher ride. The best place to find the correct tire pressure is on the sticker inside the driver's door or in the vehicle owner's manual. The number printed on the tire sidewall is the maximum pressure the tire can safely hold, not the recommended pressure for everyday driving. Checking tire pressure before driving, while the tires are still cold, provides the most accurate reading. Many vehicles in 2027 are equipped with advanced tire pressure monitoring systems, commonly known as TPMS. These systems continuously monitor tire pressure and warn drivers whenever one or more tires lose air. Some premium vehicles even display the exact pressure of each individual tire and send notifications directly to a smartphone. Although these systems are extremely helpful, they should never replace regular inspections. TPMS usually alerts drivers only after pressure has dropped below the recommended level. Checking tire pressure manually remains the best way to identify small changes before they become bigger problems. Combining smart technology with routine maintenance offers the highest level of safety and performance. Another important part of tire maintenance is inspecting tread depth. Tire tread consists of the grooves and patterns that help channel water away from the tire, allowing it to maintain traction on wet roads. As tires wear down, these grooves become shallower, reducing the tire's ability to grip the road during rain or emergency braking situations. Worn tires increase stopping distances and raise the risk of hydroplaning, where the tires lose contact with the road because of standing water. Most tires include built-in tread wear indicators that become visible when the tire reaches its minimum safe tread depth. Drivers should inspect their tires regularly and replace them before the tread becomes dangerously worn. Uneven tire wear often provides valuable clues about the condition of a vehicle. If the center of the tire wears faster than the edges, the tires may be overinflated. If both outer edges wear more quickly than the center, the tires could be underinflated. Wear on only one side of the tire often suggests wheel alignment issues, while random patches of wear may indicate suspension problems or tires that need balancing. Paying attention to these wear patterns allows drivers to solve minor problems before they become expensive repairs. Regular visual inspections take only a few minutes but can reveal important information about the health of both the tires and the vehicle itself. Rotating tires is another simple maintenance task that greatly extends tire life. Because front and rear tires perform different jobs, they wear at different rates. Front tires usually wear faster because they handle steering and, on many vehicles, deliver engine power as well. Rotating the tires allows each tire to spend time in different positions, promoting more even wear across all four tires. Most manufacturers recommend rotating tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or approximately every 8,000 to 13,000 kilometers. Many drivers simply rotate their tires during every oil change, making it easy to remember. Wheel alignment also plays a major role in tire maintenance. Alignment refers to the angles at which the wheels meet the road. Even small changes caused by potholes, curbs, or rough roads can cause tires to wear unevenly. Signs of poor alignment include a vehicle pulling to one side, an off-center steering wheel, or uneven tread wear. Proper alignment improves steering response, increases driving comfort, extends tire life, and even improves fuel efficiency because the tires roll more smoothly with less resistance. Having the alignment checked whenever unusual tire wear appears is a smart investment that can save money in the long run. Wheel balancing is another important service that many drivers overlook. Even tiny differences in weight around the wheel and tire can create noticeable vibrations at highway speeds. These vibrations not only make driving uncomfortable but also contribute to uneven tire wear and additional stress on suspension components. Tire balancing ensures that weight is distributed evenly around each wheel, providing a smoother ride and extending the lifespan of both the tires and vehicle components. Tires should be balanced whenever new tires are installed or whenever unusual vibrations develop while driving. Keeping your tires properly maintained improves safety, extends tire life, and helps your vehicle perform at its best. In the next part, we'll cover advanced tire care tips, common mistakes to avoid, and how the latest technology can help you stay ahead. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.